Welcome back to Globetrot with Taj. After exploring a few beautiful places around Udupi, we decided to end our day somewhere calm, peaceful and timeless. So this evening we came to Kapu Beach. As soon as we reached, the sound of waves welcomed us. The beach is wide, clean and open, with enough space to just walk freely and breathe. Kapu Beach has a very relaxed vibe. It's popular, yet not chaotic. Peaceful, yet lively. One of the main attractions here is the Kapu Lighthouse, standing tall right next to the sea. Built during the British period, this lighthouse has been guiding ships for decades. Today it adds a beautiful character to the coastline and makes Kapu instantly recognizable. During certain hours, visitors can climb up the lighthouse and enjoy a panoramic view of the Arabian Sea. A view that truly reminds you how vast and powerful nature is. While we watched the sun slowly disappear, Taj stayed busy in his own world. For him, the beach is not a tourist spot. It's pure freedom. Kapu Beach is also very convenient for travelers. There are restaurants and food stalls nearby, so you don't have to worry about snacks or dinner plan. Whether it's a quick tea, local food or something filling after sunset, options are available, making it a comfortable spot for families and evening visitors. Kapu Beach is not as dramatic as some tourist hotspots. It doesn't try to impress. Instead, it gently invites you to sit, watch and feel. Feel the waves, feel the breeze, feel the calm that comes when the day finally slows down. As the sky darkened and the lighthouse lights come on, we knew it was time to leave. Thank you so much for joining us on Globetrot with Taj. If you enjoyed this peaceful sunset journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe or follow our page. More family travels, more simple stories are coming soon. Bye bye.